There are a lot of reasons why homeowners in Oregon go solar, but for 80% of our customers, the main driver is the financial side of things. In Oregon, there are 4 financial incentives that help drive down the cost of solar and make solar a good investment for homeowners. There's a 30% federal tax credit that just got extended for the next 8 years, so that's going to be around for a long time. There's also a newly passed solar state rebate program that will be signed soon that provides up to 20 cents per watt for any systems installed on residential homes in Oregon. That amount does change a little bit depending on the utility that you have, so sometimes it can be higher or lower, and if you're a low to moderate income household, you get enhanced incentives as part of that program. The Energy Trust of Oregon also provides a small residential incentive right now, and again, they also have another program for low to moderate income households that provides enhanced incentives if your household income qualifies. Finally, and the biggest one of them all, is the energy savings on your power bill. With the utilities asking for higher rate increases every year, that's the big driver for most people. They're providing protection against rising energy rates by prepaying for their future energy by putting in solar now.